I'm at Disney's Contemporary Resort. The sun is going down and the lights are coming on. And this is a beautiful time to come and see this place. I did a tour not too long ago. It was a daytime tour. I'll put a link up there. But I want to show you this place now as it's sun's going down, the lights are coming on. It's just got this really cool feel to the place. So let's go walk around a little bit. This is the resort entrance. The buses will come in here and drop you off. But look at the lights on the tower. How cool is that? That's going to do it for me from the Contemporary. Hope you enjoyed this Twilight tour. I'm going to head over to the Poly and see what's going on over that direction and see what other trouble I can stir up. Thanks for watching along. Appreciate it, guys. Subscribe, like, all that. Take care, y'all.